honey jerk and honey barbecue wings. You got that right. Share it with your family, neighbor, and friends. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'll be doing some honey jerk and some honey barbecue wings. I seasoned my wings and here I am adding some jerk sauce. I use a little sazon, smoked paprika, garlic powder, regular all-purpose seasoning, some herbs and spices from Mrs. Dash. Please feel free to use whatever seasoning you love or your choice of seasoning that you use to season your chicken. I lightly coat my chicken drumsticks and the wing portion in cornstarch. Cornstarch helps to add crispiness to the chicken. Feel free to use flour of your choice. I choose to use cornstarch. I love it. It adds a little crisp or crispiness to the chicken because I'll be doing this in the oven and not using any oil or butter. Once you add it in the cornstarch, fluff it off to get any excess off. So once you add this in your oven to bake at 350 degrees, there will not be any flour or cornstarch powder left on the chicken, so you don't want too much. And remember now, I did not use any liquid such as egg or water or buttermilk. I just seasoned the chicken and added in the cornstarch. Welcome to my channel. If you're new, thank you for stopping by. Thank you for coming to my channel. It is greatly appreciated. And please don't be mean with those fingers. Please give my video a like. It deserves more likes than what you guys are giving my videos. So here I have my honey barbecue, which I did not use any cornstarch. And here is the honey jerk that I coated lightly in cornstarch, and your girl is ready to put this in the oven to bake at 350 degrees. After 30 minutes, this is what the chicken looks like, and I started to turn this over to make sure both sides get a little color. I did not cover this. I will not be covering this. I make sure to flip everything over or turn everything over. You can see the little cornstarch on it, and then once I turn it over, there's no cornstarch. Heat is seeping through this, and wings don't really take a long while to cook because it's smaller portion of meat, so it does not take a really long time to cook. This took an hour to bake, and while it was baking, I make sure to use my fork to stick through it. So here is the finished honey jerk wings, and the next step will be for me to make my sauce. So I heated my pan and I used 1 stick Kerrygold unsalted butter, and I allow this to melt under medium to low heat. You want to make sure the heat is low so this does not burn. Then of course it's honey jerk. I added 2 tablespoons of jerk sauce, and I added lots of honey until my ancestors say stop. Taste as you go along to make sure it has the flavor and the taste that you needed. And I added some extra sweet chili sauce in this. I also added a little lemon zest because that's my business, and it's not lemon chicken, but it does help to bring up the jerk flavor because it has a little spice and also a little sweet taste, which is from the honey. So feel free to make it yours. Once I leave on low heat, then I started to add in my chicken portions. Feel free to add this in a bowl and throw your sauce on it. I chose to put mine on the stove with the heat and then I just turn the chicken over in this. Listen, I've had this before, but I never did a wing video on my channel. You must try this. Share this with your family, your friends, your neighbors. Share it if you're on social media, any other channel that you're on. Feel free to share it, be it Facebook, TikTok, wherever. Share these recipes and get out of your comfort zone and make changes to the regular cooking that we're all used to. There goes my tasty honey jerk. Here is the barbecue one where I'll be doing my honey barbecue sauce. Once my chicken is done baked, I use half stick of unsalted Kerrygold butter. I melt as I did in my earlier video, and then because your girl wanted this to go quicker, I took the pan off the stove and started to like stir this in on the heat, and I added 2 tablespoons granulated sugar to help with the barbecue sauce taste. I added some chili flakes into the butter and the sugar because that's my business. And then I added some Baby Ray's barbecue sauce, honey, and a little hot sauce. Now, once you make your sauce, please taste your sauce as you go along to make sure the flavor and the taste that you're looking for, it is there. I wanted this to have barbecue taste, but I wanted the flavor to also be honey taste. Taste as you go along, and then I just added this into my pan, and then I just turned them over while on the heat to get a little sauce or marinade on them. Listen, share this with your family, your friends. Share this on your social media platform, Facebook, TikTok, wherever you are. Please share this. These are good videos, great videos that I'm giving you. And get out of your comfort zone and try something new. Experience something new. Experience teaches wisdom. And from this, we're so used to the regular cooking. I'm giving you recipes and ingredients that you can try to make your own. Put a tweak here and there. Look at Homegirl honey barbecue wings. Listen, better than them chicken places doing pizza and wings. These are homemade, done with love, done with lots of passion in what I do and what I put out there on my channel. Let me know in the description box which one would be your favorite. Listen, the both of them were my favorite. Honey jerk has spice. I loved it, but listen, the barbecue honey or honey barbecue tasted just as great as the honey jerk. Please make sure you watch the video to the end. Don't be mean with your likes. Give your girl some likes. It's free. It's not going in your pocket. You're only using your finger. And of course, I had to break into the wings to let you see what the honey jerk looked like and what the honey barbecue looks like. Listen, it was 90 odd degrees. Homegirl was hot. I was tired. Don't mind my face. Not giving a smile. I was so exhausted and hot. But listen, my family enjoyed this. And we had this with some yellow rice, which you will see in another meal prep video on how I share this. Thank you again for tuning in. On to the next.